4 things you should not do as a CFA level 2 candidate, and the last one is super important. Number 1, do not ignore ethics. I know so many CFA level 2 candidates who are like, oh, ethics is the same standards as in level 1, so I'll just do it in the end, I'll just quickly go through it. Do not make this mistake. Even if the chapter is the same, the execution is different, and the only thing that can get you through is practice, practice, practice. Because remember, the CFA Institute loves ethics, and the kind of questions will be different. Number 2, do not try to memorize every single formula. There are 10 subjects, all of which have a certain amount of formulas, especially in level 2. If you try to just sit and memorize the formulas, it's never gonna happen. Chances of you forgetting will be much higher. Instead, try to form a logical explanation for as many formulas as possible and practice more. The more you practice, the formulas will automatically go into muscle memory, and without you trying, you will actually end up memorizing them and not forgetting them. Number 3, do not ignore easier topics or easier chapters. Since we feel like CFA level 2 is so difficult, we tend to keep our focus on the things that we find difficult, like maybe derivatives, fixed income, FSA, which is great. But do not ignore the easier topics. Many a times, easier chapters also in, say, a fixed income or derivatives or an AI, people ignore thinking, yahan se to questions nahi aayega. And the CFA Institute does the absolute opposite. They ask questions from the easier chapters, and the candidates are like, ye kyun kiya? So do not make that mistake. Number 4, and the most important, block everybody who keeps insisting that CF level 2 is the hardest level, you need to struggle or you're gonna fail, and tries to chatkao you one plan that they feel works for all, because that never happens. And for more such tips about the CFA exam and other early career related topics, do not forget to follow Tori Tanishka.